Hey guys, what is up? Joseph here with another Huawei device of 2019. Today we're going to unbox the Y7 Prime 2019, the first Huawei's 2019 device this year. If you remember or watched our last year's Y7 Prime 2018 videos, then you must know that the device was mostly budget-friendly phone. So without wasting any further time, let's see what's inside the box of the Y7 Prime 2019. Let's rip this box and dig in. At the back of the box, we have the warranty card and there is nothing much at the back. Y7 Prime 2019 design changes can be seen here from top of the box. It comes with a water drop display this time and single front facing camera. So we got the Y7 Prime 2019 Midnight Black. This phone comes with a 32GB of storage and 3GB of RAM. Finally, let's break the seal and open the box. I must say, this phone looks really good even packed like this. Putting the phone aside for now, let's see what the contents are. Here we have the usual stuff, some IMEI stickers, SIM ejector tool, useless manual and some good stuff, a glass protector and a plastic cover for your phone's protection, which I personally think is a great addition. A clear protective case is very handy and helps keeping the phone clean and shiny for people who usually drop the phone a lot. The phone comes with a simple power adapter, micro USB cable and hands-free. This is Huawei's standard charging brick, nothing special though. Micro USB cable, and cheap headphones. Nothing so impressive about the headphones here. And finally getting to the device here is the Y7 Prime 2019. We have standard specs written on it. Here on the screen cover, it's written a 6.26-inch 720p display, a 16 megapixel front camera, a giant 4000 mAh battery. On the back we have fingerprint sensor and dual cameras. Again, from the back, this phone is just beautiful as well. It carries a similar look as its predecessor, based on the way the cameras are placed and the fingerprint sensor along with the design. At the bottom we have the micro USB port, mic and speaker grill. On the other side, a SIM port and buttons. On top we have a 3.5mm jack and a mic. Now let me just peel off this cover and see the beautiful display in clarity, which looks beautiful from the front. As you can see, it looks really beautiful from the front. And here's the complete look at the back of the Y7 Prime 2019. So we will be looking into the camera, the display, the performance and the battery time in detail. So stay tuned for the full review on the Nerve Now.